With all these trips, as it normally happens, I try to discover and immerse myself in the underground scene of whatever city I visit. And this last month, I was in Florence. It was a surprise trip. My wife made me this surprise because it was our anniversary, so she said, "Don't book anything for those days. I made you a surprise," and so I did. And the morning we wake up and she say, "We're going to Florence," and that was amazing, an amazing surprise. So shout out to my wife, Chiara. Well done. And when in town, I always love to look for record stores, and we discovered this beautiful store in Florence, Italy. The name of the store is Sleeve Records. It's been a beautiful experience. We got to know Francesco, who's managing the store, and as usual, I started to dig for interesting tunes, and also Francesco suggested some amazing releases.